Well, that's me leaving the hotel. Just checked out at a hotel here. Good hotel. Right, we're heading for Shinjuku Station now, to the airport, Narita Airport. I think you take a train called the Narita Express. The reason I'm doing this, I had a look on YouTube a couple of days ago. I was going to get the bus, but I couldn't find much on how. There's a lot from how to get from Narita to Shinjuku by the train, but there's not a lot to go the other way. There wasn't saying much from here to the airport. I couldn't find much on YouTube. That's the reason I thought I'd do this video anyway. Bit of a sum up of my time in Japan. Have I enjoyed it? I certainly have. Did I like Tokyo? Most definitely. I've had a great time in Japan. There's nothing negative I can say about it. If I came again, would I come to Tokyo? Probably not. I think I would more like to see a bit of rural Japan. Go to more, say, traditional bits of places. Right, I'm going to take the entrance where the 3D cat is. Walking straight into this entrance of the station here. If I remember rightly, just through this door there's an information office on the right hand side. I'm going to go in there and ask how you go about getting the tickets to the airport. It's not even open yet. I'm going to have to hang around a little bit, I think. It's that office there I want to go in. I'll hang around and I'll come back a bit later. Just checking on Google, it says you can buy the ticket from the GR line machines. So we'll have a walk into the station and see how we go on. We'll go straight on. Actually got colours on the floor telling you where to go, which line. GR line straight ahead to the left. Just basically follow the green. Hold on, there's a airport bus. GR line straight on. Just follow the green. If you look here, at the GR line pointing in there, there's actually a red thing here saying the Narita Express, which is taking you in the same way. So I'm feeling if I buy a ticket here, it should get us through there. Right, head back to a ticket machine. Tickets. English.
Guidance will be displayed in English.
Search station name. N A R I. Narita Airport. We'll just go Terminal 1. Airport ticket. Put the bill in there. Get a receipt. Right, I've done that. Let's see how we get on. Just follow the red line. Seeing there 5.6 is the platform, but it's all on the floor. I haven't got a seat number or anything like that wrote here, but got me receipt and that, so I don't know. I did read somewhere that all the seats are numbered, reserved, but we'll see what happens when we get there because I've got my ticket. Can't imagine it being too busy anyway, and if I get in someone's seat, I'll just get up and move. Bound to be empty seats. There's obviously someone there going, so there you go, just follow. We'll just follow that person there with the suitcases. That's an even easier option. Narita number 5, lane number 5 at 9. Platform 5 at 9, and we're on 25 now, so got a lot of time for mistakes and errors. If I've done it wrong, I'll just go back and start all over again. Up to now, seems pretty easy. Right, so we've got there you are, got number 5 and number 6. We're going to take number 5. This is obviously the train here. Doors aren't open yet. There you go, Narita Airport. So you need 2 tickets. You need this ticket, you need this ticket, basic fare ticket, which is that, and the limited express ticket when boarding the limited express train. If your ticket is incorrect, pay the difference at your destination. Right, I've got that. Now I need that. That's where you get your seat. Right, where do I get that ticket from then? There might be something around here, I don't know. If not, I'll ask this man here. Excuse me.
Hi.
I have one ticket for train, but where I get other ticket?
I can't speak English.
Oh, 2 minutes, come. Sure. Okay. I have this one.
This one.
I want this one.
This.
Yeah,
This.
I have already. But no, I no have.
The express.
Yes.
Well, go straight. Go straight.
Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you. Must be somewhere to buy up here. On the back side. This must be it. English. Narita Express. Alright. Terminal 1. Ordinary car. Window seat. Confirm. Well, there's my ticket. Car 2, seat 12 here. Right, we're here, car 2. It says here you get fare free Wi-Fi as well on this train. So there we have it, all done. Just got to wait for the train now. Pretty simple, pretty simple. If I can do it, anybody can. Right, let's see how all this goes, eh? Hopefully, I see you at the airport getting off this train. Oh well, may as well get on. Seat 12 here.
Welcome aboard the Narita Express, bound for Narita Airport. Passengers without seat reservations or limited express tickets may sit in seats that are vacant. However, a vacant seat may be reserved from a later stop along the way, so we kindly request that you change seats when the ticket holder boards. Cars 6 and 12 are for passengers.
It's alright. Free Wi-Fi. Got the phone on.
Welcome aboard the Narita Express.
Watching a bit of Netflix.
For Narita Airport.
Seat goes back.
Passengers without seat reservations.
But what about
in a few minutes. Please be sure to take all your belongings with you.
right there, terminal 1. Well, here we are. Let's just hope I'm at the right terminal. But either way, you've seen what to do. Either put in terminal 2 or 3 or terminal 1. at Shinjuku Station. You can see you here. Just a quick one. This is where I came to. Straight along to get in. There's a counter there. That looks where you'll pay the difference if you didn't get the second ticket. And there's also a machine there. So if you don't get the second ticket to reverse your seat, you can sort it out here. So it's all still simple. Right, that is it now. See you later.